Hey, what's up, guys? So you're probably wondering, why should I get a free VPN for my Android device? Well, let me break it down for you in just a couple of minutes. First off, security. When you're out and about connected to public Wi-Fi, you're basically exposing your data to anyone with the know-how to intercept it. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making sure your personal info stays just that personal. Now, privacy. We live in a world where everyone's trying to get a piece of our data, advertisers, hackers, you name it. A VPN hides your IP address, making it super hard for anyone to track your online activities. You can browse the web like a ghost, and who doesn't want that? Next up, content access. Ever tried to watch a show or access a website only to find it's blocked in your region? With a VPN, you can virtually change your location, unlocking a world of content. Binge watch your favorite series without hitting those annoying geo-blocks. Oh, and let's not forget about bandwidth throttling. Some ISPs slow down your connection when they detect high data usage. A VPN can help you bypass this, ensuring a faster and smoother online experience. But wait, you might be asking, are free VPNs any good? While they might not offer all the bells and whistles of paid versions, they can still provide essential protection and privacy. Just make sure you choose a reliable one with good reviews. So there you have it: security, privacy, content access, and better speeds. All good reasons to grab a free VPN for your Android device today. Stay safe out there and happy browsing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tech reviews. Catch you in the next video.